Hi, I'm Bex. This is my face. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm coming back at you with another train wreck. Today, I'm going to be redrawing some of my old art because I thought that always goes so well. So the past couple times I've redrawn my old art, I've used my very first sketchbook for inspiration. It's bad, but I happened to find another little notebook that I used to draw in all the time. It is a graph composition notebook. There's some weird stuff in here. So I actually picked out a couple pieces I think I wanna work on today. Yeah, let's do it. So the first thing I thought that we might work on, a banana in a trench coat. This is what we're doing. I think so. Let's recreate him, see if we can make him look a little more put together. Let's start with the shape of a banana. There it is. There's the banana. Now I will add the glasses and the coat and things onto it. Okay, so his face, let's see, is right here. I'm starting to think that this is not gonna turn out well. I don't think I've ever seen a trench coat like for realsies in real life. I don't think I know what these look like. Well, what's his coat? What is his coat here? They usually have some kind of belt, don't they? Do they? Oh no. I don't have a reference. This doesn't look good. I should have tried harder. I hate him. This is why I picked two pieces that I thought I might want to do. So look, we can just flip that right over. Super cheerful. And we got a woman, we got death coming for her. So we'll try this and see if this goes any better. For this woman here. Oh, what am I doing? I'm sorry, like I'm super distracted because I just did my grocery shopping and I know what I'm having for dinner tonight and I am so excited and I'm ready to eat. Like super duper ready to eat. But I wanted to do this first, so here I am doing this for y'all. You're welcome, okay? How am I gonna color this? I don't have skin toned. Okay, so let's reimagine the concept. Maybe we do like super close up of the girl because she was a whole lot bigger than what Death was, right? So I think this is like a good concept. Good concept, I think, yeah. There's not enough room for that in the frame. I'm sorry, hate it for you. Do you ever have days where like your mood just shifts like that? Okay, I like this better. Let's see how this goes. Okay. This is the point where I hope I don't make it worse. I've got some ideas for this. So this, I believe, well, let me erase this first. Okay, I don't think it looks awful. I don't think it looks good, but it doesn't look awful. Right, and I have a variety, you'll notice, of blacks and grays. All right. There it is, recreating my old art, but in a little bit of a different style, a little bit of a different composition. This is cheerful. Okay, what do you think? I mean, I like it. This is kind of my thing. I'm not super thrilled with how this girl turned out. If I did this again, obviously, I'd use a reference. If I did this again, obviously, I would use a reference for my banana in a trench coat because I really want that to work out one day for me. So I guess that's it. That's the end of the train wreck. I went from like super high to I just want to go eat. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button below and click the bell icon so you're notified every time I post. I'm here every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Thank you so much for watching. I know it was painful, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.